So the first question that I'll answer is active chat or Manychat. And this is something that came in from someone in our Chatbot 101 group. So thanks, Steve. Shout out to you in Barcelona. But the reason that I prefer active chat over Manycrash is there's a couple of reasons. And I'll just start with the fact that I, for starters, can't use Manycrash. One day I woke up one morning and I couldn't log into my Manycrash account. I couldn't log in to any of my clients' bots, and I reached out to support, and I reached out to the community management. I reached out to some of the people that I had I was friends with in the community and who were on their staff. And it's unfortunate that I have to talk about this again, but all I got back was an answer from their new community manager that they didn't. That there was no self-promotion in their group, and that the decision was final, and that was that, right? And so I don't know if it was because they asked me to do a webinar in their group, the day after my wedding, and so I did a webinar on how to run, a chatbot to a webinar sequence and stuff like that, but they actually asked me to do that. And so I don't know if that was it. I don't know if it was because I posted a bunch of videos on how to use the software. I'm not really sure. But anyways, I can't really use it. So that's for starters why I don't obviously recommend this, because I can't use it. So, but on active chat, right, the reason that I do enjoy active chat is a variety of different things. I talked about this visual interface, right? I talked about the ability to have, to create these conversations visually and to kind of see the flow, right? A lot of people like Manycrash because of that. But what I do also enjoy really well, or very largely about active chat, is that they have the ability to take your bot outside of just Facebook Messenger. And so you'll notice here that I can connect it to a lot of different things, right? If I go in here, I can actually connect it to Facebook Messenger, obviously. I can connect it to Telegram. I can actually install just a chat widget right on my website that doesn't necessarily have to connect to Facebook Messenger. I can connect it to text and Google Home and Amazon Alexa. So it creates all of this different opportunity for me to be able to expand my communications, right? Which is what I talked about, before. Second thing, though, obviously we talked about the builder. We talked about this, these different integrations, and then I guess thirdly is the fact that they have, all of the integrations that you could want, right? They have all of the integrations that you can need. It connects to Zapier. You can connect and you can send data that way. It has its own built-in Dialogflow engine or connection so that you can connect to Dialogflow really easily. And the community and support is obviously great. And also I just realized that they have an affiliate program too. Oops, that's not the one that they want. They have an affiliate program as well, so you can make money, actually promoting it, or you can get a little kickback for getting your clients to use active chat. This, as opposed to me, where I had to pay money on the other platforms for using my clients, I could actually get a little kickback here. So there's a variety of different reasons why I enjoy active chat over Manycrash, but that's why we now recommend this one.